Hello, my name is Erika Joana Calderon. I am from city of Pereira. I am studying industrial engineering. Course Valoración, Tecnología de Tecnología, tutor Juan Carlos Amisquita. Step 2, Comprehend Intellectual Property. Patents. Like of benefit information, patents, cause. Patents are territory rights. The corresponding exclusive rights are only valid in the country where the application was filed and the patent has been granted. Despite have reduced the registration granting times to 27 months, the periods for this are still low. They sometimes lack information on new technologies or for the invention of new products. Consequence, they do not provide the opportunity to enter the international market. Lots of entries to register no patents. Companies does not increase their value in the market. Recommendation: implement a resort where the patent can be widely abroad in order to allow the merchant to expand their product. Thus achieving a balance between both parties to the merchant while be able to make himself now international. Reduction of the patent granting time. Make it easier for people to register their inventions. Thank you for your attention. Bye.